Hi friends, Mrs. Kiffington here to take you through your math activities for today. We're going to start as we usually do for our must-do activities with our workbook. Okay, for this one you're going to do practice 5-5, how many? We did this in school, only they put the number here for us, which would have been nice if they did that in the workbook, but they didn't. It's down across the bottom. So somebody might have to read it to you, but I will tell you just in case you want to write them down as we go. So this one is looking for you to circle the plate with 9 grapes on it. This one is looking for you to circle the plate with 6 raisins on it. This one is looking for you to circle the plate with 11 peanuts on it. And this last one would like you to circle the plate with 12 seeds on it. So remember, like we did in school, instead of counting every single plate, look at the plate you think is close to that number and then count what's on that plate. If you get the right number, circle it. If you don't, then try another plate that looks like it might be close to that number, okay? So again, it is 9, 6, 11, and 12. 9, 6, 11, and 12. Okay, so that's your first must-do activity. Your next must-do activity is in your January kindergarten math packet, and it is it's a 2-page activity. So it's this one. You're going to look at this number for each one and fill in however many it says here on your 10 frames. And so since these are teen numbers, keep in mind that that 1 stands for 10 and the 2 is some more. So that will help you filling out your 10 frame. And so it's this page, and then flip to the next page. This one is not two-sided. And then the next page is this. And then we also talked about how when there's a 2 instead of a 1, the 1 is 1 10, so the 2 is 2 10s. 2 groups of 10. So that should help you out. So do both of those. That's another must-do activity. And then your last must-do activity is from your old math packet from the remote bag. Hopefully you all still have this. If you don't, I'm sure I'll hear, but hopefully you have it, and it is at the end of this packet. I'll just take the packet apart so you can see. It looks like this. Okay, my number book. We were going to start with this early, which is why you have it so early, and then we decided to wait until we started handwriting. And so since we've started handwriting and talked a lot about these numbers and already have shown you some of these, we're ready to use it. So your job is to, so here's the first page, okay? Your job is to look at the number. It says highlight the word for the number. You can highlight it. You can use crayon. You can use colored pencil. You can use pencil. I wouldn't recommend marker because it's going to go through, and you do have, this is a 2-sided document. So you're going to highlight or somehow color that in, trace that one number, and then write it 4 more times, and then fill in however many this number says. Okay, so 0 for that one, and you have 1, and let me show you. Then to get to 2, you do have to. Goodness, sorry. So get to 2. It is on the other side, so that's why I'm thinking you shouldn't use marker. And you're only going to do up to page 5 for that today, and then save the rest. You're going to do the rest tomorrow. The rest is on tomorrow's must-do activities. So for your math choices for today, the first choice on the bottom of the choice board is a Teen Numbers workout with Jack Hartman. His workouts are always fun. It's a great one because you get to see the numbers, say the numbers, and do a little bit of workout with it. So hope you enjoy that. Your next choice activity is move and count apples for teen numbers. And we've done one of these before. We did one for school supplies, and we did another one for insects. So this is another one just to get you to practice counting bigger numbers. And then your last choice activity is eSpark. A lot of you have not logged in, and some of you have really excelled in it. But I added some more activities for those of you who really enjoy it. And for those of you who haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. There's some new activities in there that go along with what we've been learning. So that's eSpark. You can use your Clever badge to get into that. And yeah, so that's your choices for today for math. And I'll see you soon. I hope you have a great day.